Hi, this is a test live stream. I'm going to just try to figure it out basically. Uh, in the future, a lot of this is going to happen. Like, I'm going to do live content on my channel. So, I just wanted to let you guys know. Uh, all of you can join in the chat and ask me any questions that you have. If you have any questions, uh, hopefully, I can see the chat right now. Let me just check it out. You can say hi in the chat if you are there. Right. So basically, the plan for me in this video is basically answer your questions, students' questions, and also tell you what I plan to do for the channel going forward. So the idea is that I want to deal with Olympiad topics in maths, topics which are difficult for students, and I want to do it in a more interactive way. So basically, I intend to go through certain textbooks, certain books which are very good for Olympiad preparation. I want to do it with you. So this is one of those textbooks. So if you can see, this is the book. It is called 10 Themes in Olympiad 10 themes in algebra for mathematics competitions. So this is a book by Titu Andreescu. Very good book. It has Olympiad algebra content. If I can show you the contents here briefly. So basically the names of the chapters are a little strange. The first chapter is, for example, ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. Then the second chapter is a square is greater than 0 and so on. So basically, it's 10 different types of problem solving ideas, 10 different themes that are discussed through questions in this book. What I want to do is walk through this book with you. So basically, the idea is solve the problems in class, discuss it with the live stream chat, and hopefully you will learn something from that. So I want to start with algebra and start with this textbook, and then after that I have a course on polynomials that is going on right now. So I will share sometimes problems from that polynomials book as well with you guys. Right? If you have any questions and if you need any guidance, please watch out for my posts on the YouTube channel. Basically, what I will be doing is I will tell you and I'll let you know the times when I will be live streaming. So I will set up sort of a stream schedule, and once the schedule for the streams are done, then you can join in and watch the live stream and talk to me directly if you need any help or advice, you need some particular help with a particular problem or a certain set of concepts. If you're struggling with a subject, I don't know how to study, any advice about how to study for maths and physics both, I will try and guide you through that. So that should hopefully help you as well. So please watch out for the live streams that are going to come up shortly. And hopefully you will benefit out of that. Let me know if you have any more questions. Like, you can type in the chat and I will be able to see the questions. So just let me know if there is any particular question that you want to discuss right now. Okay. Uh, I will just outline also the books that I will be using for my live streams, for future live streams. So for maths, I will probably be using the 10 themes in algebra by Andreescu. The polynomials book, polynomials, awesome polynomials, basically it's called. The awesome polynomials book, again by Titu Andreescu. These are for algebra. Then in general, I want to go through problem solving strategies. Problem solving strategies. This is a classic book by Arthur Engel. This textbook also very useful for students who are preparing for Olympiads. So the current plan is these three books, and I want to do a walkthrough of these three books, doing the problems in the live chat, in the live streams. So that is what I intend to do. Sarvik, what is your question? You can type the question in the chat. What is your question? Tell me. Primarily, this session is not for doubts. Yeah, so if it's a diagram based question, I think you have my phone number, right? My phone number, I will just write down. You can send it to me. I'll help you out. I will help you out after the class, after the session, maybe, right? So, because right now I don't plan to do content right now. Okay. So, I'm not planning to. Okay, I'll just give you my contact number. This is my number. Send it to me. I'll try and help you after the live stream. Okay. I don't plan to actually discuss questions in today's live stream. It's just an announcement sort of a video. I'll try and help you with that later. Ignition, what is your doubt? Tell me. Just hold on for a second. Maybe I'll just get my phone because it seems like you guys need some help. So I'll just get my phone. Just hold on for a second. Okay. So I have my phone with you. If you guys have anything, you can discuss. Okay, Ignition, I am in a state board and didn't prepare for JE level. Instead, I covered the topics of NCRT and we have vacation of 2 months now. You are in 11th grade or 12th grade? Are you in 11th grade? Okay. So which chapter should I do in maths before 12th in JE level? So if you have if you have 2 months holidays for maths, what you should focus on is basically, see, you have to revise a little bit of trigonometry. Trigonometry you need to revise. All the 11th standard trigonometry, please revise. And what you should start off with is functions. Start off with the calculus part. So functions, limits, continuity and differentiability. Get started with that. And the best place to do it from is basically you should do NCRT, and after that you can do either Engage or Arihant. Use NCRT and then Engage or Arihant books and start off with functions. So spend the time doing calculus. This is your differential calculus portion. It is super important. If you can spend 2 months learning calculus, it will be very useful for you. So trigonometry will be important for you. But once trigonometry revision is done, you can go to calculus functions chapter and you should start with that. That is the most important thing that you can do. Okay. Before 12th, that is what you should focus on. Functions, limits, continuity, differentiability. I mean, if you have time, you can go ahead also. But these are 3 chapters that you should immediately try working on with. Okay. Right. Sarvik has sent a question. Magnetic field due to a current carrying circular coil A at point of radius A at point P lying at a distance B from the center. Current carrying circular loop of radius A at a point P lying at a distance B from the center. Okay. Given B is less than A. Correct. This is a complicated question. It cannot be done in this class because it is an off-center point. It's an off-center point, right? What we know is magnetic field at the center. So you'll have to imagine a different loop, imagine a smaller loop and all. Like, I'll have to think about it and we'll have to do it slowly. It cannot be done in like 5 minutes and all. Okay. So I will look at it and I'll let you know. Yes, you have to try to find some symmetry and all. It's not very easy. I mean, at least on the face of it, it doesn't look very easy. It looks weird. So I will have to think about it and probably I'll tell you in the next class or next stream or something. Right. Uh, Roy is saying, sir, I was wondering if the Arihant book you mentioned. No, that is not the Arihant book, dude. Problem solving strategies is not Arihant book. That's Arthur Engel. That's for Olympiads. That's not for JE. The books that I earlier mentioned, no, I will show you those. These three books. This is not. These three books are books that I'll be using to make the content on the channel. Basically, I'll be working through these books and we will do classes where we discuss problems from these books. So that is for the helping people who are preparing for maths Olympiads. This is not at all for JE. Some parts of this book are for JE. This book is not so difficult. Basically, the book that I can show you, this one, this book. The first book, this book is not very difficult. So parts of it will be useful for JE. The second and the third book are definitely not for JE, for Olympiads only. Okay. Oh, I hope that clears it up. Uh, Aryan Singh, sir, do something for Olympiad combinatorics. Yeah, I want to do something. I wanted to launch a course for Olympiads, but nobody was interested in joining the course. So I decided to postpone that. But definitely, I will be making content for Olympiad combinatorics also. Are you going to write Olympiads this year? What are you doing right now? Which level are you at? What are you preparing? Aryan, do you have any feedback for me? Like, what are you currently preparing? How much of combinatorics have you actually done? Actually, if you wanted to learn combinatorics, there are quite a few videos already on my channel. You should get started with that. Eventually, I will do a new course on combinatorics, but immediately right now, obviously, I want to do things that are interesting to me. I find geometry, algebra, number theory a little more interesting. So I want to get started with that. Once I do all that, obviously, if more people are asking for combinatorics, I will make a course on combinatorics. So don't worry about that. If you need special help with something, you can attend some of the future live streams and all, and we can talk about it. If you need specific help, we can talk about it and we can discuss how you can improve. Tell me, is there anyone else with any questions? If there is anything, I will answer. Otherwise, I think everybody. Sayantan Das Gupta is asking for courses on quantitative trading and algorithmic trading. Dude, this is not a finance channel. Quantitative trading and algorithmic trading courses you'll probably find somewhere else, but not on Shishya Learning for Maths Olympiads and JE. Although I would suggest that you don't go for trading, you should do investing. Investing is always better than trading. Trading is stressful and you will end up with losses. So I would advise that you study some investing books and invest rather than trade. But that's just my opinion. So also this is not the right platform to do quantitative trading, right? So yeah, anyone with any maths questions or anything about preparation for JEE and Olympiads, I am happy to talk about. Okay, it seems like there are not too many more questions. What I will do is I will definitely announce the streams. Gaurav, yeah, hi Gaurav. So Gaurav is part of my classes for maths for J 2026. Yeah. So we are doing currently trigonometry. So if anybody has any questions, hi everyone. Also, if everyone is here, please like the videos on the channel, some subscribe to the channel. These things are basics. If you do that, it helps me basically. Subscribe to the channel if you have not joined the channel already, and like the videos and all. If you like the content, that will help me. Keep in mind, guys, that I will make an announcement of the YouTube channel when the next stream will be. The next stream will be much longer. So right now, I'm not planning to do a uh, right now I'm not planning to do a long stream. This is not a long stream. What I will be doing is, this is just an announcement, this is just telling you guys what is going to happen. But from the next live stream it will be slightly longer, at least 1 hour, and we'll be doing problems, we'll be doing maths problems and physics problems in that stream. So hopefully you can join in and you will hopefully benefit from that. Shishya learning website link given on your YouTube is not working. Yes, I think it is not working. But right now I don't have a website. I have deactivated the website basically. It's not worth it maintaining a website. I think YouTube channel is enough for me. So the only link that you need to go to is my Udemy course. That's the only link that will work. No, no, Gaurav. You can join the live streams, obviously. You can join the live stream, but only if you have time. Like the live streams will be for Olympiads, and if you want to see some topics there, sometimes it will be useful for JE also. So if you want, you can join in or you can watch it later. Any live stream, by the way, on YouTube, you can record again, right? I will be streaming again. Today is Tuesday, so Thursday evening I'll be streaming again. So hopefully I'll do 3 streams per week, at least 3 live streams per week. So Thursday evening I'll try to do one, and then I will announce it beforehand, Roy. So you will know when the next stream will be. Today was just to help me set up everything. I wanted to test out everything because the last time there were some issues with the stream. The screen was not visible, the video was not visible. Something was going wrong in the last stream. So I just wanted to test it out today. Next stream will hopefully be on Thursday, and it will be a slightly longer stream. We'll discuss a lot of problems, and if you have any doubts and all, you can bring those in that class. Right. Yes, the polynomials and algebra part will help in JE. So at least to a certain level, the polynomials thing will help. Right. JE 2026 course in maths is missing a video. Yes, 1.4 is missing. 1.4, there was some issue with the video. It is a dark video. That's why I didn't upload it. So also the course is a paid course, so not all the videos will be available on the channel. Only a few of them will be available on the channel. If you want to actually join the course, you can join, right? But I will try to keep as much of the videos as possible. So there was some problem with that video. Otherwise, I would have uploaded it. Anything else, guys? Otherwise, I will see you guys on Thursday. Okay. Thursday, we'll discuss the first chapter in this 10 themes in algebra. The first chapter is about quadratic equations. Everybody knows it, but the problems will be very interesting. There are a lot of interesting problems in that book, so I am very excited to share it with you guys. So hopefully you should also enjoy. Aditya Raj Tiwari says, "Sir, can you suggest a good book for calculus for problem solving?" See, problem solving for calculus, there are many good books, but I would say is the basics. You should definitely try and do Arihant. But after that, you can do Sameer Bansal's calculus book. Sameer Bansal book for calculus. It is by GRB Publications, if I remember correctly. GRB Publications. That is a good book. It has a nice collection of problems. You can definitely try that out. This is for JEE I'm talking about. Obviously, for other higher maths, there are lots of books, but I don't want to mention them right now. This is what you should be concerned with. So Sameer Bansal's good book is quite good. You should try that out. Anyone else? Any other questions? Okay. I think that's all for now. Hopefully, I'll see you guys next time. I'll announce the live stream in before the live stream happens, and you can join in. So thank you guys for being here. Okay, Arvik has one more question. What should I do as last few revision question? I've done the specified books. Also, I did Vinay Kumar. You should do previous year's questions of JEE Advanced. If you have done all these books, you don't need to do anything else. Don't worry about so many books. It's not about the number of books you do, okay? You need to do previous year's questions of JEE Advanced. Just go through all the JEE Advanced previous year's questions. If you have done them already, go through them once again to see if you can do them in time. You should time yourself. If you have already done them once, do it in time. See if you are able to solve it in time. If that is also done, then your preparation is done. Then you should be happy, right? Okay, guys, I think that's all for now. I'll see you on Thursday, and we'll discuss a lot of problems from the 10 themes in algebra book. And the topic will be quadratic equations, and problems will be exciting. So that's all for now. I'll see you next